In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display month and weekday names as abbreviations in Tableau. Let's get started on this quick and insightful tutorial. First things first, make sure you have your Tableau desktop app open and ready. If you haven't already logged in or opened your project, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in the app, you'll need to access your worksheet, which is where all the magic happens. You can find this within your project dashboard. Now, once you're in your worksheet, you'll want to begin by focusing on the data you have, specifically your date fields. Drag the date field to the column shelf. Here, you'll want to set the field to display as month. This sets the canvas for what we're about to do next. Moving forward, return to your date field, but this time you're going to drag it over to the rows shelf. Here, you'll need to set the date field to weekdays. At this point, you should see a simple but effective breakdown of your data by both month and day of the week. This is a great foundation for the view we're building. Now it's time to move on to formatting, which will ultimately adjust how this data is displayed and digested. Head over to the column label, which should read month, date, and right-click it. From here, you'll want to select the Format option. This is going to open up a range of choices where you can customize how your data looks. In the formatting pane, your focus should be on the headers. Locate the Dates section. This is where you'll adjust how your month is displayed. To change the month names to their abbreviations, click on the drop-down menu and select Abbreviation. This change makes your view more concise, saving space and increasing readability. Next, let's shift our focus back to the rows, specifically the weekday label. You're going to click directly on Weekday Date to activate its formatting options. Just like with the months, find the Dates section. For the weekdays, we're aiming for a different formatting style. You'll scroll through the options and select First Letter. This will shorten each weekday to just its initial, giving you an even more streamlined look at your data. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your Tableau worksheet to display both month and weekday names as abbreviations. It's a small change, but one that can greatly enhance the clarity and efficiency of your data presentation. Thanks for following along, and feel free to pause or replay as needed to match what you've done to your own data set. Until next time, happy data visualizing.